here to raise awareness for autism and raise lots of money to help Advanced Solutions, who are a non-profit organisation who help families and professionals.
Frances and friends organised this event and we're coming to help out, and she's raising money for Advanced Solutions in addition to other autistic charities. So it's got face painters and cakes and raffles and tombolas, and we've got a little dance troupe, and we've got lots and lots of other things going on.
Yeah, it's absolutely lovely. We've got lots of family and friends. The nursery my little boy used to go to, all the nursery staff have come and helped to volunteer. We had a coffee run a couple of years ago, so this is why we're doing it again, to raise awareness again for Autism Awareness Week.
And lots of other neurodevelopmental conditions, because ASD doesn't usually exist by itself. There are usually other conditions that impact as well. So it's about raising awareness for the bigger picture, and to support the difficulties that they face regardless.
We had loads of people donate prizes and cakes the last time, but this time they've donated even more, because they know it's a good cause and people have got to know our little boy. And then obviously the families have all got bigger and bigger, and the network and all the families at Advanced Solutions are just, they're all there to help each other.
We want to be part of the Autism Week, so we come along, meet parents who are doing the same thing as us. So it's great because we're getting support, we've got parents in the same situation, and we're getting there's some courses pop up that are useful.
You feel like you can't go to places because you're scared in case your child has a meltdown, but you just meet so many families who are in the same position, so you don't feel alone, and then you just end up being one big family and a support group for each other.
We get to actually, I hope that in shops, businesses and people in general get to understand it more and help to support us by making us feel comfortable.
My little boy Francis, who's 5 years of age, he's non-verbal, he's autistic and he's got sensory processing disorder. The paediatrician signposted me to Advanced Solutions, and basically I've attended all their training courses, volunteered for them, and basically be lost without all the help that they've given us as a family.
We're community-based, so we're throughout Liverpool, so we're here to direct them to their local community network group, or the nearest course that they can attend, and just so we can help support right across Liverpool and the North West.
Parents need to be empowered and educated to know how to deal and handle their children, because we didn't have a clue what autism was or sensory processing, and until we've been able to get educated by them by attending the training courses, this has helped us deal with strategies and coping with them, and it's just invaluable.